Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Accord bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Locate the primary bonnet release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell or lower dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet partially unlatches. This initial step prepares the bonnet for its full opening. Now move to the front of your Honda Accord. Gently lift the bonnet a few inches and reach your hand underneath the front edge, directly above the grille. You will feel a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents accidental opening. Depending on your Accord model, you will either push this latch to the side, usually to the left, or lift it upwards to fully release the bonnet. With the secondary latch released, you can now fully lift the bonnet. It will swing upwards, revealing the engine bay. Look for the metal prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the radiator support. Unclip this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet or the engine bay frame. This secures the bonnet in an open position for safe access. To close the bonnet, first unclip the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back into its original clip. Gently lower the bonnet until it is about 12 inches or 30 centimeters above the closed position. Do not force it down. Then, with both hands, firmly push down on the center of the bonnet until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has securely latched. Double-check that it is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.